Wow, should we have a look? Alright, let me put you down. I did bring my raincoat, but never mind. I hope this is ready. Oh, I can't get it open. Oh no, look, not quite ready. Never mind. I don't know what to do with that. Anyone? I mean, I'll take it home, but I'm not sure. They should be yellow, shouldn't they? I mean, I thought it was when the tassels go brown. They just don't look. Yeah, I don't know. Let's get this in the compost bin. It's really raining now. Oh man. Okay. Let's try and pick some runner beans. Oh. Snails. Well, obviously I'll leave the other runner beans for a lot longer. It's a bit too soon. It's a few hours later. I actually had to rush off because it's a shopping day and I take Valerie with me. She comes to Lidl with me, so I had to run and I couldn't do the outro. But I'm back 3 or 4 hours later and everything's dry, lovely and dry, which is great. So actually I thought while I'm here, don't hang about, I'm going to clear this area and move it back. Yeah, that'll be a good job. So I'm going to put you down. Fill up the few baskets that I have with the bits and bobs and maybe even get the shelf up. So I'm just going to put you back. Right, let's just start loading baskets. Need that actually. Oh, it's amazing how much stuff accumulates. The broken bit off the tripod. Oh, such a shame. Actually, maybe if I bought it off Amazon, so I could actually look it up and hopefully get a name. That's not a bad idea. Oh. Okay, that's cleared. So, oh, don't know what that was. Right, yeah, just get that out of the way. Okay. Throw that away. Right, we can get this back now. Well, that's good, you can see that. Brilliant. Maybe more flush, I think it could. Actually, that is rather in the way. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Drill, drill, drill. Oh, it's dark, I know. See if I can get this out. I don't know if I can. They like their It's funny how you do something to improve and then you find something that's not helping. You see how it sticks out? That's not making it flush against there because before it was a gap. So I'm going to have to saw that off. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, there. Saw that off, which I can do, and I'm going to have to bring the saw with me next time. So let's put this back down. Well, I need my hands. You're sort of hanging from my bag. Yeah. Yeah, nearly there. Not quite. Okay. be a job for another day. Oh, it's hot. I might do a bit of strimming. You're all wonky. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm going to do a bit of strimming. Where I'd did the you know what things this morning. Right. I just need to get out of the shed. It's really hot. And I've just packed the battery charger. It's in the basket. I'll go and get it. Well, that was hot. It's actually really hot out there. But should we go and have a look? Come on, let's have a look. Whew. Whoops. Yeah. You can sort of see the boxes appearing, but I stepped on this morning and it's all rotting. It has to go. It's no good. But it's a big improvement. So, do you know, it's kind of a wonky land. I might use some of the earth that's piled up to just raise the levels on that side. I don't know if you can see that. And then cover it with cardboard. But these pipes, well, I could put bamboo sticks in them and create a fence along here, because there's another one here. That would be quite a good use of that. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. There may be another one along. Just might be a bit buried under all this. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But I could make a climbing wall of something here, which would be quite nice. Not sure if there's another one here. No. But there you go. That's a lot better. And obviously covered. Take these home. I had to rush this morning. I couldn't take them home. That needs weeding. But look, oh, you need to see this. I have an actual thing growing. Look, kind of. I think they're round courgettes. That's what these were. How good, cool is that? Yay! And that's like really poorly, but it's still trying. Kind of crazy, really. Right, I'm off home now. But yeah, I've got to put all this back in the shed. I need to do the shelves, but I'll do them on the next visit, because that wood was old and I've got wood at home. I'm going to sort of bring it with me. Yeah, well, there you go, Jim and Maureen. I don't know how we're going to do the top bunk, but that'll do. Not bad at all, really, is it? Looks a lot better with the white paint as well. And I need to bring my saw with me and just saw the end off that so it then sits flush. So I'm kind of like not really want to load up the surface yet with too much stuff, so I'm probably just going to pile it in and do it the next time I come. Right. thanks everyone for watching. It's warm. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.